Okay, hello. Really hope everything works. Okay, so this is a slash test episode. I don't know yet. Okay, so I do not have a thing to capture my friend's audio because I don't think it'll work that way. So, okay, can you take off your armor so we can see your beautiful skin? Ah, yes. This is the Creepo 946, also known as Lexi. She will be talking, but she will not be talking to you. So I will hear her, but you guys will not. Okay, anyway, so let me give you a tour of what we have so far. Okay, also let me show you my skin. This is a custom-made skin. I'm beautiful. Alright, okay. Ta-da! Okay, so we have a, Sure, it can be two floors. Okay, so this is our nether portal. We live up in the mountains. We kind of cheated to get the nether portal, but we're not gonna talk about that. Over here, our first exhibit is the CSM, which I like to call it, the Cobblestone Mine, which was just created today. Yay. Over here, we have our beautiful garden. Nami nom. Okay. Over here we have our chest collection and what appears to be her bed. We have the beginnings of our house, which looks awesome, by the way. Thank you. It does not look atrocious. It's beautiful. I actually really like how it's coming out. Yeah, we're gonna replace it with quartz, which we have so far. I don't think it's gonna record the sounds in-game, but... Oh, well then, I hope that it records you. Anywho, okay, so, secret, this, right below this torch is where we keep a chest full of ender pearls that we've collected. Over here, yes, the fence is off-colored! Okay, oh god. So, okay, this is gonna be a little bit of a meme from now on. This is Helga's home. Oh god. This is Helga's home. Oh god, lag. Okay. Helga is one of the first chickens we've met and kept. Oh, Helga gave birth. Helga gave birth. Yes, Helga gave birth. Happy, happy birthday! Happy, happy birthday! Happy, happy birthday! Okay, no, that's her food. Let's get on over here. That's just, wait, yeah, that's just random stuff. Oh god. Lag! Ah, here we go. Eggs. Okay, so, yeah, this is what we have so far. And, yeah. I've been working on the cobblestone mines. This is what I've collected so far. I'm just gonna add that to there. Yeah. I really hope this works, and if it does not, well, I guess you're just gonna have to deal with it, because... Deal with it. You know what? I'm gonna give a nice little tour. I'm giving like a really pretty visual tour. You're gonna have to like replace the audio here or something. Okay, that's enough montage for now. I'ma go to sleep because Lexi is pestering me over and over again. Oh, yes, oh god, you've been typing that in. Okay, yeah. We have a nether portal that is technically not supposed to be here. We have an unfinished house, which has some really high goals. And we have a pet, which every YouTuber should have. You know what, I'm gonna feed her. I'm gonna feed Helga. Oh god, it's laggy. Helga, it's time for your food. Get over here. Helga gave birth again. Happy birthday, happy. Okay, no, that's gotten too annoying now. I'm not gonna be the Chili's worker. Oh god, I heard you take fall damage. Okay, no, I've got enough food. So yeah, this is what we have so far, as I've said. But yeah, I hope you. Oh, yeah, this is what she's made so far. Ow. Okay, well, let me just get over here for a nice ending. I hope to see y'all later.